Day 89, bring your own inference. So I've been rethinking how inference should work in PailFlow. And if you're building any sort of agent systems, it's definitely something that matters a lot. I started where a lot of AI products start. You bundle everything, host the workflows, run the agents, meter the tokens, maybe you charge credits or usage-based billing. On paper, that sounds really clean. In practice, inference costs can get really ugly fast. One trend that I think is really interesting, and I'm excited to try and put some of this into PailFlow, that's more common in open source tools, is this idea of bringing your own inference. And how it works is, especially like in tools in OpenClaw and like open code, it's basically, this user has a model subscription. You might already be paying for AI through ChatGPT or Copilot. So you already have your model subscription to do all sorts of AI tasks. You can use this access in a third-party tool. And then, the tool bakes in, their workflows and agents that make that task more useful than if you were just to prompt the model directly. And you pay for that workflow value, or at least not the tokens twice. So while I've only really seen this used in open source tools, I imagine that this bring your own inference could work where, maybe someone has a really great AI teammate for some process and you use your subscription that you already used to also invoke this AI teammate. You're only using the tokens once, but you still get to do and execute your tasks. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it might work for PailFlow, see how it can work. I know there's a lot of, especially in the dev tool space, drama with some inference providers, some models really wanting to lock tool usage to their ecosystem, but this might be an emerging pattern. Curious to hear what you all think.